Lucas Oil's complete fuel system solution has everything you need to treat, clean, and protect your entire fuel and exhaust system. Maximize the life and performance of your vehicle with the use of Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Injector Cleaner, Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner, and Lucas Emissions Clear Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. We'll go over how to apply this treatment and all of its benefits. Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant with Injector Cleaners and Fuel Conditioners is a great tune-up in a bottle. It's a powerful blend of oils and additives that contain no harmful solvents and is designed to increase power and fuel mileage. It cleans and lubricates the carburetor and injectors. It also lowers exhaust emissions through a more complete fuel combustion. It increases the life of pumps and injectors. Lucas Fuel Treatment is formulated for both gasoline and diesel engines. It gives your fuel system what modern gasoline is lacking, a blend of super slick oils and additives that allows the engine to operate at peak efficiency. Use with every fill-up for maximum power and fuel economy. In conjunction with Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant, we recommend the use of Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner, blended with an exclusive additive package and a specific carrier fluid that contains no diesel fuel, kerosene, or anything else that can be harmful or useless to an engine. Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner greatly reduces harmful NOx emissions and eliminates knocking and pinging. It removes carbon deposits, improves fuel economy and performance. It eliminates the need for higher octane fuel and brings sluggish engines back to life. Lucas Deep Clean is recommended every 3,000 miles for a deep cleaning. The final product in Lucas Complete Fuel System Solution is Lucas Emissions Clear Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner. This expertly engineered product addresses the need for effective solutions to reduce vehicle emissions and improve catalytic converter performance. Lucas Emissions Clear significantly reduces harmful NOx emissions and particulates. It thoroughly removes harmful fuel system resins and deposits and reduces particulate matter sent to the catalytic converter, helping engines optimize combustion. It prolongs the working life and efficiency of critical engine and exhaust system components, resulting in increased miles per gallon. It's formulated to be easily integrated into routine vehicle maintenance. Application is recommended anytime you're experiencing fuel system or emissions issues, as a system refresh every 6,000 miles, and before an emissions test. Lucas Oil's Complete Fuel System Solution, a regimen of products that not only reduces harmful emissions, but also enhances vehicle performance. All products work together to keep vehicles operating at peak efficiency. The use of Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant with every fill-up, Lucas Deep Clean Fuel System Cleaner every 3,000 miles, and Lucas Emissions Clear Fuel and Exhaust Cleaner every 6,000 miles deliver peak performance and longevity to your vehicle. Lucas Oil's Complete Fuel System Solution, helping you save money and protect your most valuable assets. For more information, visit lucasoil.com.